So, I don't know where my dog is, but I wonder if I don't know where. And I don't know where the other kid is, but that's okay. If I do, I will start recording again. But where are they? So, I'm just looking for one of our cats right now, but I don't know where they could be at right now. Let's check my room, maybe. Excuse my room, guys. It's just a mess, but I couldn't find them in this video, so I'll make it up to you guys and try to find them in the next video.